In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view chess ratings of top players on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see the current ratings of the strongest players. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to chess.com. Give it a moment to load the homepage. You don't need to sign in for this. The rankings we're looking for are publicly visible, so anyone can follow along. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top navigation bar. You'll see several headings. Click on the one labeled More. This opens a broader set of options beyond the basics like play or puzzles, and it's where chess.com groups extra resources and community features. With the More menu open, move your mouse to hover over the community section. Don't click yet, just hold your cursor there. Hovering reveals a drop-down with links related to people and events on the site, such as clubs, forums, and, importantly for us, the ratings pages. If you don't see community right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough. On smaller screens, some menu items can fold into the More area. From that community dropdown, click on Chess Ratings. This takes you directly to the leaderboards where chess.com displays the top players and their current ratings. Here you'll typically see categories for different time controls like Blitz, Bullet, and Rapid, and often separate sections for live and daily chess. Ratings on this page are dynamic, meaning they update as players complete games, so numbers can change throughout the day. Take a moment to scan the list. You'll notice player usernames, country flags, and the numeric rating that indicates their standing in that category. The higher the number, the stronger the performance in that specific time control. If you're curious, hovering over elements on the page may reveal tooltips that explain what you're viewing. That's all you need to do. Go to chess.com, click More, hover over Community, and select Chess Ratings. In just a few clicks, you can keep up with the top performers and stay informed about who's leading the charts right now. To make this even smoother, if the dropdown closes by accident, reopen More and hover over Community again. It happens. On touch devices, the menu usually shows the same options when you open it and choose Community. Consider bookmarking the ratings page and refresh occasionally to see updates after major events. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the leaderboards.